Hi everybody, Alex Employer from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Forex Robots and the inconvenient truth behind Forex Robot trading. Now on your screen right now you can see a typical situation that develops in the market. Everybody wants to become rich from Forex trading with Forex trading robots, so they are more likely to believe the assuring lie than to believe the inconvenient truth. The inconvenient truth we'll look at as we go along, but so many people want to take the shortcut, buy a robot, plug in the settings and become really rich. Now there are a lot of inconvenient and unpleasant truths about Forex trading that people don't even want to think about. They just want to ignore it. Things like you need to know about money management and risk management. You need to know that pretty well before you start trading Forex. The other one is your total success in Forex trading depends on your psychological makeup and the way you approach your Forex trading. So psychology plays a huge role and people just dismiss it. Oh, give me a good entry and I'll know what to do from then on. And the other thing they want to believe is you can get very, very rich by just buying a robot and trading it using the settings supplied, and you can become very rich very quickly. And that's why a lot of people at this point will leave this video, because I'm going to be telling you things that will shatter those dreams. Now, the first thing about trading Forex robots is that you actually need to be experienced and very skillful at trading manual systems before you progress to Forex robots. Many people think you can start at Forex robots, buy the robot, get the settings and make $1 million. You need to be experienced as a Forex trader in terms of risk management, position sizing, all kinds of other things. You need to know how the robot works and that type of thing. Now, very few people realize this. Now, let's say you've passed that first hurdle and you are experienced and you know what you're doing trading Forex manually, and you're actually reasonably successful. Then moving on to trading Forex robots is another huge step, because you now have to learn about optimization. You need to learn about how to create settings for your robot, how to manage that robot. If it's doing badly, what do you do? If it's doing badly, what do you do if it's doing well? You need to know how to manage a portfolio of robots so that you can offset the good ones against the bad ones. And it's a completely new ball game. In spite of you knowing everything there is about manual Forex trading, you are into a new area. So it's a bit like going through a schooling process. You do primary school, you then move into high school, and then you move into university situation. So the dream of buying a Forex robot, plugging in some settings, making a fortune in the next year or so is very unlikely. Now on your screen you can also see a typical email that I get. I'm a beginner and I want to start Forex robot trading. What can you suggest? Now, so let's look at the reply that I gave to this particular inquiry. Now I'm not going to read the whole reply. You can actually pause it and read this reply yourself. But essentially what I'm saying is that you need to have a good basic understanding of Forex trading as a manual trader. You need to know what's going on in the market, how trading occurs, how orders are placed, how lot sizing occurs, how you manage risk, all those things before you can even consider trading a robot. So that's my basic reply. But in the reply I give two fantastic courses, and we'll look at them a little bit later, where the person can very quickly build up that basic knowledge of Forex trading and the basic knowledge of all the elements important in Forex trading. Now here's another email, a typical email that I would receive. And this one might not be that urgent, but they always say, I urgently need to make money. I want to make $300 a day, and I need you to supply me with an EA that's going to make me terribly rich. So you can again pause the video and read this particular email. And again, here's my reply to that particular email, saying that you really need a grounding in Forex trading before you even move on to Forex robot trading. Now, unfortunately, in the days of Forex options and things like that, the market went wild, and people were promised that all you have to do is buy a robot and you'll become a millionaire. And it spoiled the whole market, and it created incredible expectations on people, expectations that could not be met, because in reality you need to be an experienced, hard-working Forex trader to make money in this market. Now, a lot of people say, oh, I want to make $300 a day. They don't realize you need to have $200,000 in capital. But if you're risking 1% of your account on every trade, which you should be doing so that you don't over leverage your trading, then they don't do those basic sums. And the minute somebody says that, something like that, you realize they don't have the basic grounding towards a successful Forex career. They want to take the shortcut. So my first suggestion to anybody is to go and do the Forex beginner course on a website called Baby Pips. Now, I've got nothing to do with Baby Pips. I just know that they are by far the best supplier of beginner education that you can find. They've got a fantastic forum, they've got a fantastic course that takes you through Forex trading step by step and introduces you to Forex trading in a very structured and thorough way. If you haven't done this course, even if you're an intermediate trader, go and do this course, because it will complete your Forex knowledge. So my first suggestion is that make sure you have got the grounding of Forex trading. Not only how to find entries, you need to know how to find exits, how to solve problems. If things go wrong, what do you do? That kind of thing. Where to place your stop. There's just hundreds of things that you need to know, and there's no shortcut. You need to know them all very thoroughly. So go and do this course. The next course that I would suggest, I've got the Simple and Easy Forex Trading series. Now, again, what I've done is I've created modules of the most important elements of Forex trading. And if you work through these modules one by one, then you will be have a much more complete view of what is possible in the Forex market. Now, I can tell you now, the module about money management is hardly looked at, because it is not sexy. It's not, you can't make fantastic entries. You can't talk to your mates about saying, I manage this so well because I only risk 1% of my account. Nothing romantic about money management. So people don't want anything to do with it. And that's why in this video I've said it's the inconvenient truths that make the difference between a winning Forex trader and a losing one. The winning one faces the inconvenient truths head on and deals with them, and is a good problem solver, and he deals with them. Everything is about the problem area that he has to deal with. The other person would run away from that and just ignore it. So here's a completely free course. Go and download all these modules, or have a look at them online and learn from them, and hopefully that will complete your basic knowledge of Forex trading. Then we also have a Forex Robot trading course, and this course shows you how to find settings for any robot that you might trade. So it goes through the process of understanding the robot, doing initial tests on what kind of settings work best in the past, and then refining that into settings that will work best into the future. So it's a very detailed course. It's a video course. It's got quite a lot of modules there. It's free again. And again, the link is there. All the clickable links that I'm showing in this video are available in the description of the video. Unfortunately, the links cannot be clickable within the video. But now you have 3 resources that you could have a look at. And here's a reminder that a while ago we had a trading competition in which all our EAs were traded by our clients, not by us, by our clients. And all of them were traded profitably. If you look on the chart there, every single one was traded profitably. The winner was the grid trend multiplier, 300% return. But it shows you that if you have a little bit of knowledge about Forex trading, a little bit of knowledge about expert advisor trading or Forex robot trading, that you can trade profitably. The winners in this competition were not inexperienced people. They were actually experienced people that knew how to find unique settings that would do well in the actual competition. You need settings, currencies, and time frames. There's a whole lot of things that have to align for a successful result. But the point here is that all our EAs are profitable. It's not the EA that is profitable. It is the trader that makes the EA profitable. Those traders are most likely know a lot about Forex trading. They know a lot about Forex robot trading. They can therefore have a good chance of winning these competitions because they know how to find settings that will really produce good results. So now the ball's in your court. Which queue are you going to join? Are you going to join the shortcut queue that is going to produce success on a lucky basis, in which you cannot sustain that luck? You must probably give all your winnings right back to the market within a week or two? Or are you going to join the queue that says, okay, I'm going to structure my Forex trading career on solid foundation of education, experience, trading, knowledge, and a good psychology that will allow me to be a winner in this particular career that I've chosen, or in this particular hobby that I've chosen. Unfortunately, and I've been in this business for 14 years now, there is no shortcut. Hard work is the only way to do it, and the hard work entails gaining knowledge, gaining trading ability, developing your skills, automating your skills to the point that you can wake up in the middle of the night and be able to place a deal without any problems. So your mechanical skills are automated. You can also spot deals very quickly. You don't have to painstakingly sit and analyze charts. You can see a deal set up and you say, oh, I'm confident that deal is going. Now, I hope I've given you something to think about your own approach to Forex trading. You need to evaluate which queue are you actually joining when you are in the process of developing your Forex career. And I've also given you some solutions to those problems if you do have gaps in your experience or knowledge. There's that comprehensive free baby pips course. There's this simple and easy course, and then there's the course on how to get settings for your robot. All free stuff, and it allows you to get a solid base in which you then don't have to ask the basic questions. What is your best robot? You go through the 14 robots that we own, and you say, I like this one for the following reasons, and you find that your own settings, you don't rely on any settings given to you, and you trade accordingly. Again, from me, Alex Deploy, thank you for watching this video, and cheerio. Thanks for watching this video. If you've liked it, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and click the bell. But most importantly, share this video. You can do this in many ways. Message your friends, send them emails, or share it on social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, and those kind of places. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.